You excited for your album?
Yeah.
That Tron album's really big.
Why needs to be so well, I guess. How much is it?
$69.
Ta-da! Ew, I got buttons.
And then the other
I
one
see buttons.
is a special edition. A special edition of the mountain.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, it's the new one that's just a special edition.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that looks good. Okay.
And which Kirby did we get?
Hopefully we got the one with the green thing.
I like all of them. So.
Or the water bee.
Oh my god, that's cute. It's fat Frodo. It's the fat one. It's fat Kirby. I love him. Round Kirby. He's so fucking round. That's so perfect.
Oh, that is cute. How many are there?
I don't know, but it's the best one.
Yeah, there's little parts of stuff.
You don't understand how cute round Kirby is. My favorite one.
Favorite one.
Yeah, he is.
He's peaceful. Oh my gosh. And there's CD. Can I put this in my car? Bob, my car does play CD, right? No, it doesn't. Oh no. I'm sad now.
Well,
My car does not play CD.
we have a car that does though.
Yeah, polio.
Careful, it's fragile.
I'm crazy.